For thousands of years, the ancient world hid secrets that seemed impossible for their time. But in 1900, off the coast of a small Greek island, divers stumbled upon something that should have never existed. A machine so advanced, its next technological equal wouldn't appear for more than 1,000 years. This is the story of the Antikythera mechanism, the world's first computer, built over 2,000 years ago by people who weren't supposed to know how. The discovery began with a storm. In the winter of 1900, a group of sponge divers sought shelter near the tiny island of Antikythera. When the storm calmed, a diver named Elias Stadiatis plunged into the water and resurfaced in terror. He said he saw bodies. At first, his captain thought the deep had driven him mad, but soon they realized what Elias had seen wasn't bodies, but statues lying among the wreckage of a Roman ship dated to 70 to 60 BC. As archaeologists recovered bronze statues, jewelry, amphorae, and coins, one object went unnoticed: a lump of corroded bronze, broken into pieces, fused together like a rock. No one suspected it was the most important artifact on board. Years later, museum staff cleaned the encrusted bronze lump, and under layers of corrosion, gears began to appear. Not one, not two, but dozens of precision-cut gears. This wasn't jewelry. This wasn't a statue. This was a machine. Yet the level of mechanical engineering displayed was unlike anything from the ancient world. Historians now faced a question that should have been impossible. Who built a gear-driven device 1,600 years before medieval clockmakers invented complex mechanisms? Experts soon discovered the machine wasn't a toy. It was a fully functional astronomical calculator. The Antikythera mechanism could predict solar eclipses, forecast lunar phases, track planetary movements, follow the metonic cycle, even tell the schedule of the Olympic Games, all using bronze gears powered by a simple hand crank. This was engineering far beyond its era. Some gears had teeth cut to fractions of a millimeter, requiring precision tools no one believed existed in 100 BC. To put this in perspective, the next comparable machine wouldn't appear until the 14th century, over 1,400 years later, in medieval Europe. So how did ancient Greeks build something so advanced? And why was there only one? For decades, the mechanism remained an unsolved puzzle. Then in 2005, a breakthrough. Scientists used high-resolution 3D X-ray scans, technology not available in earlier decades. The scans revealed hidden inscriptions and gear systems that no human eye had seen in thousands of years. Inside the device were 37 gears, some connected to complex rotating dials that described the motion of the sun, moon, and planets. The inscriptions? They weren't decorative. They were instructions on how to operate the world's first analog computer. With the scans, experts reconstructed what the mechanism once looked like: a handheld wooden box with bronze dials on the front and back. You turned a crank, and the universe moved in your hands. The biggest question remains unsolved. Who built such a masterpiece? Some theories point to Hipparchus, the greatest astronomer of the ancient world. Others believe it came from a workshop inspired by Archimedes, another engineering genius. But no written record mentions a device like this. No other mechanism of similar complexity has ever been found, which raises an even bigger mystery. Was the Antikythera mechanism a one-of-a-kind invention, or the last surviving piece of a forgotten ancient technology? The Antikythera mechanism forces us to rethink everything we know about ancient civilizations. It proves the ancient Greeks had advanced astronomy, remarkable craftsmanship, unexpected mechanical knowledge. This wasn't just ahead of its time, it was ahead of our expectations of the past. Every gear, every inscription, every dial whispers the same question: what else did the ancient world create that has been lost to time? And if a device this sophisticated remained hidden for 2,000 years, who knows what discoveries still lie beneath the waves? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more ancient mysteries.